You're not in Arawan
Yes.
Cafe. Pero dito sa Concepcion branch in
This is
Marikina.
our preferred branch. I
Okay.
mean, nothing against yung
Hindi.
branch sa Hill Fernando.
Mas tahimik kasi rito.
Tsaka mas malapit din.
Yes. Okay.
Our people.
So, what did you order?
I ordered my all-time favorite here. Kape Kakao. And you?
I have Choco Mani.
Yan, na hot.
Ito yung reference ko last
Na
episode.
hot kasi matanda na siya.
Ano naman kung hot in-order ko? Sorry guys, pero...
It's an oldie thing.
Yeah. Old soul. But anyway, kamusta sa December mo? How's December so far?
Gastos ka. Anyway. Ang bilis. Parang kahapon lang Happy Halloween. Nagsindi ako ng kandila sa paligid ng bahay namin, di ba? Tapos ngayon, December 16. Ay, 16 na.
Bilis nga. Ang bilis.
16 na.
Sarap mo.
Anyway.
Wait, review muna.
And,
Nalimutan na namin.
we're gonna review last stuff.
Ako nga pala.
Okay, guys,
Sige.
if you want to try the cafe,
Mamaya you have to stay until then.
we will review
Pero
our
later pa.
orders later. So stay tuned.
Okay.
Okay. December. How's your December going so far?
December ko. Well, thankful. Siyempre, first and foremost.
Kailan nga ang gulo tayo?
Kasi umabot tayo ng December. Sa lahat ng kaganapan. Is
Ano kaganapan?
2025. Love, gumraduate tayo. We graduated. Okay, that's like...
That's not a bad thing, ah.
That's not a bad thing. But imagine, that's majority of our lives. Diba? From 6 to 22. That's like...
It's our first December na
Na di kami...
may adult money na kami.
Oh. So,
But, adult money does not guarantee na magkakaroon ka ng na kaya mo nang gastasan yung mga bet mong bilhin.
so yun. First time, I'm
Adult
grateful.
money.
Okay.
Adult money comes with adult gastos.
And adult responsibilities.
Yeah.
A lot. So right now, I'm thankful. Okay. Kasi umabot kami ng December. Umabot kami ng end of the year without, without too much
Too much what?
too much
bullshit,
headache.
charot. Too much bullshit, charot. Yeah, syempre we're grateful. That's number one. But, iba yung December this year. Especially for us. Kasi first time namin na out of school na, adult na talaga ganyan. Hindi na ako pwedeng mamasko.
Oo nga. Well, tago ko din ng mamas ko.
I mean, hindi. Kasi kahit nung student tayo, parang valid pa rin naman if you ask for mamasko po, ganyan.
kasi student ka pa.
Meron nga tayong Christmas
Carol,
program
di
sa
ba may-
school,
oo.
di ba?
May caroling nga before eh. Di ba?
Oo. Ngayon, ikaw nahihingan ba? Umasko daw.
But anyway, I'm thankful. And also, daming gastos pag December. Parang ito yung first December
Oo.
na naramdaman ko yung gastos.
Pamasko, pang araw-araw. Di ba?
Oo, parang...
What are
Wait.
you looking for?
Nag-charge ka. Tingnan mo, 8% ka na.
Sorry. It's not me if my devices are full charged.
Okay.
Sinong umaalis ng 5% lang yung battery?
It's a you problem. So, yun. Paano mga pinagastos mo this December?
Okay, wait lang. Where should we start? December. Siyempre, number one dyan, bali. Sorry, I mean, it's a happy problem to have. If anything, di ako nagrereklamo na may gastos ako for bali. Pero totoo lang. Sa totoong buhay lang, napakagastos ng bali.
Oh my God. Reveal mo nga yung price dun sa ano. Reveal mo yung price ng recital. Pwede ba reveal yun?
Hindi. I mean,
Kaya mo?
Hindi nga siya problem.
Hindi nga siya problem. But reveal mo. Just so may nakikinig na
guys,
gusto
just so you
magbali.
Ayan, nag-start kasi ako magbale. I mean, nagbale ako before, as a kid, ng 3 years. So, ayun, and then nag-stop ako kasi, for some reasons. And then, nag-start ako ulit as an adult last year. And then, I've been doing volley since. Pero nung last semester sa college, nag-stop ako for a bit kasi number one, wala na akong punctuation sa sarili ko. Number two, kailangan kong tapusin yung thesis ko unless gusto kong mag-extend sa college. Eh, ayoko. As a scholar, di ba?
Yeah.
So, nag-stop ako. And then, ngayon naman, I've been back for months. And then, I have a recital coming up, which is on December 21. Sana may coverage.
Yes. Mag-vlog tayo that day. Pero ang kasama ko nun, friends natin.
Yeah. Because I'm gonna be the star.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, anyway, yun. Number one, recital gastos and ballet in general. It's not a problem. It's just magastos.
Yeah.
Facts only. Sa totoong buhay lang. Pero since ginusto ko to, go!
Reveal mo magano.
Uy,
Ayaw
Okay.
niya. Ayaw niya reveal. Sige, wag na natin reveal.
sa ano na lang, siguro post recital.
Next
Basta
time.
yun. Fun siya. Sa mga gusto mag-ballet dyan, kahit adults, you can start bukas na, mamaya. Kung may class, di ba? Why not? Pero yeah, just start. Yun lang. Siyempre, gagastusan niyo yun. Kasi, uniforms, ganyan, yung leotards, tights. Siyempre, hindi naman yun basta-basta, di ba? Lalo na sa shoes. Invest in your shoes. Anyway, yan.
Ano,
Pare.
shoes?
Oo.
Oh my God, 10K?
Hmm.
I mean,
Okay,
I
guys.
play basketball.
Kasi ayan, dati nagbabasketball siya.
Nagbabasketball ako. And usually naman, umabot ng ganun yung prices ng shoes. Pag big player na. But even then, hindi kami umabot ng 10K above. Parang 8K lang. Siya pa ni Lebron, 9K lang. Even with the current prices right now.
Sorry ah.
Parang aabot na siya ng 10K plus kapag may resale.
Oo.
Yung sa'yo, out of the stock, 10K plus.
Kasi, ano kasi yun? I got my point shoes nung October. I think it was October. Pa-November, ganyan. And October yan. I got my point shoes on last October. Tapos, hindi syempre, fitting yun, ganyan. Fitting, syempre, kasama na dun yung bili.
Kasama din bibili.
Hindi pwede mag-fit ka lang. Diba?
Para sabihin mo, next time na lang po.
Okay.
Ayoko yung pagka-pink neto.
Hindi. Syempre, pag nag-fit ka, bibili ka na. Anyway, bili ako ganyan. Yung shoes na napili ko, ano siya? As in, the shoes alone, the pair alone is like 5K plus.
Yeah.
Price reveal. Diba? 5K plus for the brand is Block. And, ang tawag dito, syempre, all the other accessories kasama na. Ribbons, ganyan, elastics. Kasama na yon. Total is around 9K. Kaya siya naging 10K kasi bumili ako ng tights for recital. Bumili ako ng tights for recital.
Mahal din yung tights eh.
Mura na yun sa lagay na yan.
Pero mahal din yung tights.
Anyway, ayun. Nag-fit kami sa That's the Point. If you know me and you know my Instagram, nakapost yun doon. And, ayun. Huge thanks to Miss Charmaine kasi siya yung nag-fit sa amin nun and super nice to experience. Siyempre, first time ko yun. So, kilig na kilig ako the whole time. Yun lang. Hindi lang nakakakilig yung presyo kasi 10K, be.
Explain mo bakit big deal. Kasi if you guys don't know, big deal for ballerinas kapag naka-point shoes na sila.
That's like your graduation.
Yes. Parang when you start ballet, naka-flats ka.
Naman, naka-flats ka ng super
You only get points when
your teacher says so.
Yeah. So pag pretty much ano ka na.
Teachers know how or when you're ready for points. So if you're ballerina and you want to graduate to point shoes, just trust your teacher. Kasi sila yung nakakaalam. Anyway, yun. Number one, nagastos ko ngayon December is ballet and all the good of it.
What else? Aside from ballet?
What else? Ano pa ba nagastos ko?
Mga pamasko,
Ay?
gifts.
Yun na nga, since adult na tayo, hindi na tayo namamasko, tayo na
Tayo na
yung,
naman nagpapamasko.
sila na yung namamasko sa atin. So, grabe naman. Hindi kasi kagabi, trigger ako slight kasi nasabihan ako na magbigay daw ako ng pamasko. I mean, sa mga nakakilala sa amin and sa akin, I'm a giver. So,
Yeah.
walang problema. Walang problema if may I mean, if may sobra lang, 'di ba? Or if may budget pang ano, pang bigay, pang
Yeah, why not,
pamasko,
di ba?
ganyan. Why not, 'di ba? Sobra pa ibigay ko. Anyway. Kasi the problem is, and it's a very big problem, feeling ko kasi hindi naman ganun kalaki yung sinasahod ko, girl.
Di ba? Tas, baka demand pa.
Oo. I mean, okay lang naman. Gets ko naman. Pasko, ganyan. Kasama talaga yun sa gastos. Pero, wala lang. O, yun. Pamasko. Number 2. And napakabigat na pamasko.
Ano pa?
And for context wala akong kapatid. I only have my mom. I only have my lola.
Yeah.
And then the rest are relatives. Diba?
Yes.
Wala namang problema, girl. Pero, yun lang. Gipit lang tayo this December.
Oh, okay. With that being said, what's your ano? Ano yung...
Ba't ako lang? Ikaw muna.
Ako muna?
Wait lang.
Oh, sige,
So,
you first. Kaya may tanong ako about pamasko.
Gastos ko ngayong December is, ayun, bale. For a
Bale.
big chunk. Bale talaga. And then, pamasko niya and everyone
Pamasko
else.
ko.
Pamasko niya na nabili ko na.
Thank you.
And and everything else. Ano pa ba? Besides pamasko.
May party tayo.
Oh yeah, oo.
May party tayo.
May Christmas party kami.
With our friends.
Yearly namin siya ginagawa. Every Christmas namin siya ginagawa. And feeling ko ngayong adults na kami. It's going to be that once a year.
Thing na everyone gets together.
Oo. Parang yearly get together na namin yan. So, kung di kayo attend,
Uy,
iiyak.
bakit kayo? Sige, maribar.
Joke lang. I mean,
But anyway.
gets naman namin, pero as much as possible, attend kayo. Di
Ah,
nyo ba
just
kami
go,
namimiss?
girl. Okay.
Di nyo ba kami namimiss?
Okay, what else?
Anyway, ano pa ba? Ayan, first time, yung party na yan kasi, last year pa namin binabalak mag-overnight. And basically mag-rent
Oo,
ng,
kasi wala kasing money last year.
oo, basically mag-rent ng place for the party, ganyan. Kasi for the longest time, if hindi sa amin, if hindi someone else's bahay, wala.
Wala. Ano? Saan tayo galing last year?
Last year, kila JP?
Oo, yata. Not sure.
Basta bahay din. And then, ayun, this year lang kami nag-plan talaga na mag-rent ng private shit.
Yes, anyway, I'll go. What else? Yun lang yata. Wala
Pa
na.
ba?
Wala na.
Ay, meron pa.
Ano?
Siyempre, alis kami.
Pupunta siya ng Hong Kong, guys. Pupunta siya ng Hong Kong.
Alis,
First time niya mag-abroad.
again, happy problem, diba? Happy
Rich
problem
kid
siya.
problem.
Happy problem siya, pero, kung rich kid ako, hindi ako problema. Diba? Happy problem siya kasi, syempre, opportunity yun, experience din yan, diba? Abroad and shit. Pero kasi, hindi pwedeng di ako ready, diba? Hindi pwedeng di lang ready. Hindi lang ako ready sa gastos kasi akala ko,
Akala mo,
libre ako lahat.
hindi pala.
Hindi,
Ticket lang ba yung binili sa'yo? Ticket lang.
Hindi ko alam. Anyway,
At
ayun.
sarili mo pocket. Thank you po. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, dito na yung food na.
Yan, na-serve na. Wait lang, pakita mo.
Okay, papunta ko.
Okay, guys. Ayan. Ano yan? Truffle pasta
Truffle
ng
pasta.
inarawan.
Hindi na niya hana. Kasi di siya nag-lunch kanina.
Yes. Anyway, ayun. Happy problem. Wait lang, adjust natin. Kasi nagalaw siya.
Tingnan mo.
Yo.
Ayan.
Wait lang, nahulog.
Okay. Kumain ka.
Yes. Okay. And then, menu review para may abangan naman tayo. Anyway. Ayun, for me, bale. Ano ulit yun?
Bale, pamasko.
Pamasko,
Yung party natin.
party, and yung
And then
gastos ko
yung-
sa Hong Kong.
Yes, punta siya ng Hong Kong. Makita niya si Mickey Mouse.
Disneyland ako. Anyway. Na may mag-enjoy ang person.
What else? Yun lang?
Yun lang. Feeling ko, yun lang for me.
Okay. My turn. But gastos ko this December, pamasko, first and foremost. Oh my God,
Oo.
ang dami ko nagastos sa pamasko alone. Okay.
Sige nga, rundown.
Ha?
Sige nga, rundown. Tigisa tayo.
Okay.
Hati tayo.
Sige, habang ano. Tao dito,
Lang.
pamasko first.
Crunch test.
Wow. Tapos di pala nila narinig, no?
Very crunch.
Okay. Ikaw muna kumain kasi busog pa ako.
Okay. Kamas ka mo this year.
Nagastos ko this December.
Hmm.
Pamasko. I had to, hindi naman I had to, more like I wanted din naman. I wanted to give back to my family. So, okay.
Rightfully so.
So, I gave money to my mom. Gave money to my dad. I gave money to my sisters. Sisters? But, I gave money to my siblings. And then, I bought you a gift. I gave you money to buy your gift. And then,
Ganun
so,
talaga,
pamas-
be. Pag matagal na.
Kung matagal na kayo.
Pag matagal na ata,
Ito
cash
na
basis.
pera.
Cash
Bumili ka
basis
ng
na
gusto
rin
mo.
yata. Oo. Ano
So,
ba yun? Pamasko na ba yun na bonus?
Pamasko yun.
Bonus as a good jowa. Anyway.
So, yun, that's yung nagastos ko sa December. And then, I bought this camera. Okay. I bought this camera. Kasi, wala lang, trip ko lang.
Hmm.
And it's a good investment. And then, it's also a motivation to, kailangan ma-ROI namin yan.
Hindi. Ang totoong rason yan, ba't siya bumili ng camera?
Ha?
Wala pa daw kasi siya nabibili para sa sarili niya. Na mahal. Na significant. So,
Okay. Kasi dumaan yung context. Dumaan yung birthday ko. Wala akong nabili for myself.
Hmm.
And then this December, feeling ko wala na naman ako mabibili. So I bought this.
no. Naman yung birthday niya. Wala siya nabili kasi wala siya maisip bilhin. Totoo yun.
Okay.
Totoo yun.
Yan, wala rin ako gustong bilhin. Pero I kind of felt bad for myself. So, ba't wala akong binili for myself? But, ayan, I bought the camera
And all its accessories.
and all its accessories. Wala natin isipin kung magkano. So, what else?
Gusto niyo ba ng price reveal?
Yeah, I think that's it. Yun lang, no? Mas significant yung camera eh. Significant
Panghanda
din
nyo.
yung pamasko. Panghanda? Oo, pero hindi ko pa siya na-shell out right now. So, baka next week. So, yun yung gastos. The most gastos I've had
For Christmas.
in my lifetime.
For
December.
Christmas?
For December.
Ngayon ka lang naman nag-celebrate ng
Christmas.
December na
Wow. Pero, alam niyo guys, it's a good position to be in. To say na, ang dami ko nagastos this December. Parang it's a
ibig
good,
sabihin lang nun, may panggastos
oh,
ka.
ibig sabihin may panggastos ka. And that's something to be grateful for. Alam mo yun? Parang how nice it is to be
Kahit
able to
minsan.
say na, shit, ang dami ko naggastos.
Oh.
Parang, that's good kasi marami kang panggastos.
Marami ka na panggastos, diba?
That's good.
Yeah.
Something to be grateful for, di ba? Oh.
Ulit-ulitin lang yan. Kahit minsan, inuulit mo siya. Tapos, it sounds like niloloko mo lang yung sarili mo.
Fake it till you make it.
Oo. Anyway,
Okay. May tanong ako kanina. What is a Filipino Christmas culture that you hate? Parang shit. Sana hindi na lang ito na-invento. Bakit ba may gantong tradition sa Filipino Christmas? What's something that you hate? Meron yan.
ikaw muna. Ikaw muna.
Ako? Something that I hate? Meron yan eh. Sabi ko meron pero wala akong isip.
Something I hate. Siguro,
Or something
ano.
na you wish could be different. Could be
Oh,
expressed differently.
sige.
Something you
Feeling
would
ko,
modify.
okay, feeling ko, since na-trigger nga ako kagabi, feeling ko it's the thought na ano, parang pagka may work ka, parang obligado ka magbigay ng pamasko.
Oo. Okay, sige. That's something that I would change siguro. It's like, diba Christmas is supposed to be giving back.
Yeah, oo. It's about
What?
giving, pero
Don't ask. Parang that's something us Filipinos should be able to
oo.
change na, yeah, Christmas is supposed to be a season of giving. But it's supposed to be out of willingness. Out of your own volition. That's something na pinipilit. Like,
Ngayon kasi parang, yun nga, feeling ko ngayon ko lang siya nagiging concern kasi ngayon lang naman ako nag-work. But,
yeah,
yun ba?
parang pangit lang. Like,
Alam mo yung kunwari kapag nasa bahay ka, and then, kumain kayo, parang family. And then, patayo ka na sana para magugas ng pinggan. Tapos bigla kang inutusan.
magugas ka ng pinggan.
Oy,
Tapos
magugas ka
parang
na ng
ayoko na
pinggan.
magugas.
Parang-
Bahala ka dyan.
Nakakawalang gana magugas ng pinggan bigla. Kasi inutos na siya, ganun. Pero it's parang same thing applies for me pag
Parang magbibigay ka naman.
pamasko. Oo, parang
Pero
hintayin
parang,
mo na lang.
since-
Ba't kailangan mong mag-utos?
Parang
Ganun.
sinabi na, sige, magbigay ka nga. Magbibigay ka naman talaga.
Oo, alam mo
So,
yung,
nasa isip mo, sige, wag na lang.
magbibigay naman sana talaga ako, ganun.
Bahala ka dyan.
Actually, kasama naman talaga yun.
Yeah.
Kung hindi lang ako nagipit ngayong December, kasama naman talaga yun. And,
Ayun, kasama pa rin naman siya. Magagawa pa rin naman siya ng paraan.
Pero kasi iba yung sasabihan ka na, huy, magbigay ka naman ng pamasko.
I mean, okay,
Pera nyo. Diba? Pamasko nyo.
everything's contextual. Parang on the other end, baka parents may mean well na tinuturuan yung anak to not be madamot, to be generous, to be ganito, ganyan.
Oo.
I mean, that's good. That's fine. That's something nice to teach your kid. Pero I think, again, contextually, you have to say it in a better way. Diba?
Oo, or like,
At the very least, do it in a kinder and gentler way. Hindi ko call out mo na ano.
Or like, wala lang. Parang just say it directly. Ganun, parang, nari, anak mo, ganyan. O, anak, ganyan. Kung may extra ka,
Oo, parang, uy, may extra ka.
Pasko naman, di ba? Iba yung ganun kaysa yung sasabihan ka na,
Uy, magbigay ka nga ka, ano.
magbigay ka kasi may trabaho ka na eh.
Oo, parang,
Ano namang alam mo sa trabaho ko, di ba? Pucha,
Yeah, again,
magkano
disclaimer.
naman sila sa akin.
hindi kami matamot. And magbibigay pa rin naman. Parang it's just something that we would love to change. Or something that we want to change sa Christmas culture or like Filipino culture in
Kasi
general.
hindi naman, sa ibang bansa, di naman ganun ka.
Diba? Parang, alam mo yung di ka nakapagbigay. Tapos may masasabing masama sa'yo. That's so bad. As Pinoys, ba yan, wala kang utang na loob. Oh my God, oh my God. Nakaka-trigger yan.
Thesis niya yun.
Thesis ko yan, guys. Okay, kwento ko yung thesis ko. Real quick. So, di ba, I'm from psych. So, yung topic namin is pretty much the psychology behind utang na loob. And what defines utang na loob. When is utang na loob becomes utang na loob. So, to cut the thesis short,
Results.
the results, di ba yung results ng thesis ko is ang utang na loob ay nagiging utang na loob kapag kusa. So, the moment that people say na tumanaw ka ng utang na loob and then you comply, hindi na yun utang na loob. Parang ano na yun, it's something
It's an
else.
obligation.
It's something else different. Yes, it becomes an obligation when people ask for it. So, utang na loob will always be internally motivated and internally internally given. Ganon, or internally respected, whatever na. Okay, bibigay ko to as a way of giving back to you kasi may utang na loob ako sa'yo. Pero you, as the other end, as long as you're not asking me for utang na loob, and nabigay ko
Hindi mo siya
naman,
binibigay.
utang na
It's
loob
utang na
yan.
loob, yeah.
Yeah. So the moment you ask for utang na loob, hindi na yung utang na loob. So yun yung impression na nahanap namin during that study. So again, applying that to Filipino culture.
Guys, just don't, just don't ask.
Yeah, it's something that we have to change as Filipinos.
Just don't ask. I mean,
Parang ask for help, but if di mabigay, fine. It's fine.
Diba?
Parang wala dapat tayo sa mga loob.
ba't ka ba't mo obligahin yung someone, diba?
Yeah.
To give you something. Even if ano ka niya, something ka niya.
Yeah, why are we? I don't know. That's something we want to
That's
change.
kasi, that's asking for something you don't have. Diba?
Yeah. So yun. That's something I would change. Something we would change sa Filipino Christmas culture. What else? What's something that you want to change or modify? Something na sana ganto instead of ganto.
Modify. Okay, for obvious reasons. You know how yung Noche Buena, 'di ba sinaserve yun ng 12 a.m. Ang ginagawa kasi, hindi ko alam sa inyo, pero ang ginagawa kasi namin, 12, 'di ba magluluto kami gabi, ganyan, hapon to gabi.
Oo.
And then isa-serve yung niluto, 12 a.m. pa. Kasi daw, syempre, salubong, ganyan,
Salubong for the Christmas.
And then, gigisingin yung mga tao ng 12 a.m. para lang kumain ng
Matutulog
marami.
ulit.
Tapos, matutulog.
Okay.
Be,
Di ba tinanong mo ko last time
oo.
about if ginagawa namin yan?
Hmm.
Sa amin, in our household, it's not that consistent. Depende. Minsan, we eat ng actual Christmas Eve. And then matutulog kami. Tapos kinabukasan, Pasko na. Hindi na namin sinasalubong yung Pasko. May times din naman na we eat light dinner. Like something light lang. And then yung actual food would be at 12 midnight. Ganon. Pero that one, I don't have much take on it. Parang kanya-kanyang trip yan. Pero health-wise, it's not good to sleep nang di ka pa kumakain. Tapos gigising ka ng
Oo,
12
tapos,
to
isipin mo,
eat a lot. Tapos ang dami mo pagkain pag
kakainin?
Noche Buena. May di ba?
Kasama
May
yung
hamon ka, may
kasama yung spaghetti, salad, di ba? Fried chicken,
Oh,
kung
tas,
ano mang handa nyo.
alam mo yung parang tulog na diwa mo. Gigising ka na alas
Tapos,
12. Tapos
oo.
eat ka ng something mabigat. And then
Oo.
matutulog ka ulit.
Yung kaldereta ng kapitbahay nyo, gano'n. Kasi sa amin, uso pa yun yung nagbibigayan ng handa sa Pasko, di ba?
Mm.
Kaya nga ngayon, I mean, dati sa probinsya, hindi naman sa sinasadya namin konti lang yung ihanda namin, di ba? Pero, I mean, konting putahe lang kasi we know na kabilang bahay, pansit.
Have you-
Kabilang bahay, carbonara, gano'n. Siyempre sa amin, spaghetti.
Have you have you always been like that? Like yung household nyo? Ganyan ba lagi? Before pa?
Parang gano'n. Alam,
Kasi before,
nagbibigayan ng ano?
no.
Which one?
Yung gigising ka ng 12, kasi looking back at it right now, inaalala ko nung bata ko.
Hmm.
Parang in recent memory lang siya nangyari with the rise of Sokmed. Alam mo yung pagdating ng 12, may mga nagsasabi na Merry Christmas, nagpo-post, nagbablast sa GC and stuff. Pero looking back at it, parang hindi. Kumakain kami ng normal dinner. And then pag gising namin, Pasko na. Yun na yung bigay ng pamasko,
Sa amin
ganyan.
hindi. Childhood ko, as in, I grew up, ganun yung tradition. Bigayan ng gifts. Talaga, Pasko talaga, as in 12 or 11, ganyan. So, late night until madaling araw. Siya
Okay.
kami matutulog. Then, kinabukasan, Pasko na, ganyan, magsisimba, whatever.
Oo.
And then, punta sa kamag-anak, ganyan. And then,
Ay, oo.
26 na, wala na, tapos na.
Yun yung kapag bisperas, may misa pa.
Ay, minsan ng gabi.
May misa ng gabi. Okay, sige. Baka kanya-kanyang household yan. Or baka kami yung mali. So, I don't know.
Naman. Feeling ko yung sa amin, it's a Pinoy thing. Tapos yung kanila, yung dinner, tapos kinabukas ng Pasko, Western thing.
Maybe. Siguro, kasi ganun sa West eh. But,
Diba, sa West kasi, wala naman silang midnight eh.
Oo.
Meron sila Christmas Eve
Eve
and
and then
Christmas
Christmas
Day.
Day. Kasi yung Christmas morning yung may Yung magbubukas ng regalo, ganyan,
Christmas
di ba?
morning yung morning ng 25 usually
Oo.
yung, hala, ano nilagay ni Santa sa ilalim ng Christmas tree? Ano nilagay niya sa,
So, that,
medyas?
okay.
Ganun.
So, that is something you would want to change. Anong gusto mo? Christmas Eve.
Hindi. Ang something na I would like to change lang dun is yung kain ng madaling araw. Pero if
Oo.
gusto mo salubungin, ganyan,
Okay lang.
pwede go.
Pero ako gusto ko rin yun. Kumain na kayo ng gabi.
Oo, kain na tayo ng gabi.
And then
Tapos
siguro,
salubungin na lang natin na.
salubungin nyo na lang. Ganyan.
Hmm.
Okay. That's one. Ako, may naisip ako.
Ako may isa pa ako. Sige.
Okay, ako muna. I thought of something that I want to change then ulit with Christmas tradition. Okay. Alam mo yung oh my God, it's slipping out of my mind. I just thought about it right now. Ikaw muna. Nawala sa utak ko.
Holiday sales.
Oh, what about it?
I mean, that on itself, wala akong problema. But like, man, the traffic is so bad.
Oh my God. Okay, meron kami unreleased episode. Nag-test.
Bakit kasi uso yung pag-Christmas na pag-December, lahat na lang same.
Okay.
Sabay-sabay talaga.
Yung kwento ay, nag-test podcast kami during the infamous Carmageddon na traffic sa Marcos Highway. So, that was pretty recent lang. Siguro that was like last Saturday. So, ganito yan, kung bakit may holiday deals. Number one is holiday. So, maraming pera yung mga tao. Obvious. But there's also a way to clear stocks.
I know.
Diba?
Ayun nga, bakit kailangan sa holiday lahat?
Lala. Pero wala. It's just...
Feeling ko, it's a Pinoy, it's a Metro Manila problem.
Oo. Kasi syempre, di ba may mga umuwi to the province. Malamang yan, may mga from the province na bumibisita or umuwi sa Metro Manila. So, alam mo yun, it's something na medyo, wala lang. It is what it is, di ba? It is what it is. So, ako, naalala ko na. Something I want to change. Ayoko yung not even something I want to change. Something I hate.
Wow.
Yung namamasko ka. Namamasko yung mga bata. And then, alam mo yun, hindi pa umiinit sa kamay ng bata yung binigay mong pamasko.
Oh my God, oo.
Kinukuha na agad ng mom or ng dad. Mostly mom. Oh my God, like alam mo, di ba nagabot ka sa inaanganak mo ng pamasko. And then alam mo yun, nasa sideline mo pa sila. Biglang kinukuha na ng mom. Tago ko muna nak ha. I mean, I get it. It's fine, they're kids. They're not able to really handle money well. So, these are like little kids. Malamang yung mga bigay mo.
May worse pa dyan. Yung mga magulang na ikaw, punta ka dun sa ninang mo, maghingi ka dun. Girl.
Since it's Christmas, I don't mind. I mean, hot take, I might even encourage it.
Hindi, I mean,
But,
phrase it differently naman. Alam mo yung, kunwari, ikaw may anak ka ganun. Uy, dalawin mo naman si tita mo, ganyan, Pasko naman eh.
Pero parang
hindi
yung values behind it.
Sasabihin mo na yung anak mo, punta ka dun.
Manghingi ka ng pamasko.
Pamasko, di ba?
Parang that's something,
Parang obligado yun eh.
that's something very, value-based na we are really valuing money rather than, I don't know, reuniting with friends, reuniting with ninong si ninangs, ganyan. That one, malayong shift pa yan. But siguro right from the get-go, guys, please, if may anak ka and kasama mo siya mamasko,
I mean, number one, huwag niyo pagkakitaan yung Christmas kasi gets naman na it's a season of giving. But like, bakit obligado ang lahat?
So, bakit? Ayun na sa akin. Parang pang tignan. Kabibigay mo lang ng ampaw.
Oo. So, wala na. Magkano yan
Bubuksan nga agad eh. Binubuksan sa harapan mo kung magkano daw sa ampaw. But yeah, that's something that's something I hate. Something I want to change.
Ako may isa pa.
Ano?
Ako, as a working girly,
Mm.
wala akong experience ngayong Christmas nito kasi hindi ako kasali dun sa, I mean, basta I don't have a Christmas party to attend to, work-related this year. I don't like the porque bago ka, ikaw yung mascot.
Oh my God, di ba nabalita yan?
Oo,
Sabi ng Dole,
pwede na yan,
pwede na yan
pwede
ireklamo.
na yan ireklamo. Kupol kasi, I mean,
Pwede na ireklamo. Bawal na yung
guinea pig,
bawal na siya.
mascot, diba? Kasi
Okay.
I mean, I don't see any value in it. Parang, wala nga connect sa work yun.
Totoo. Di ba?
Walang connect sa work
Anong pakalim
yun.
namin dyan?
Di, tsaka if like companies are gonna phrase it like, di parang parang ma-warm up siya dun sa community, ganyan. Be, hindi naman, Christmas parties are not the places to preach or
Oo.
to teach your workers how to handle community
Oo.
and
Pero
walk up to your team. That's an internal problem, di ba?
realistically, that's still gonna be a thing just because it's always been a tradition. Parang yung reminder ng Dole. Yung reminder ng Dole is just a reminder. Talaga. Parang, oy, by the way, companies ha, pwede kayo mareklamo. But, the turnout, di ba, just because it's an unwritten rule, it's still gonna persist. So, if game ka, game ka.
Gets ko naman.
Pero kung ayaw mo,
Diba?
at least you have the right now. Di ba? Okay.
Guys, simply put, a no is a no.
Yes. Okay, what's something that you love naman with Filipino Christmas culture?
Caroling boy. Hindi kasi dati nung childhood ko, sa Pangasinan kami lagi nagpapasko. And majority of my childhood Christmas, lagi kami may caroling. Oo. Tapos wala lang I mean, it's kind of disappearing na ngayon. Parang pagka nangaroling mga bata ngayon,
Lagi
putput
patawag.
yung kanta lang, ganun. Or like, hindi na pinapatapos. Sa amin talaga dati, be, kanta ka muna bago ka bibigyan.
Right now kasi.
Oo.
Kasi before, nung bata ako,
Dati talaga, hindi naman sila naninita sa maling lyrics. Basta to point is kumanta ka muna.
basta bigay na bigay ka rin. Di ba?
Oo, kanta ka muna, ganyan.
Kasi
It's
before,
kind of disappearing na ngayon kasi, I mean, dito sa Marikina, may mga kids pa rin nagbabahay-bahay ng gabi. So, medyo okay pa rin siya ngayon dito. But like, not like before talaga na 6 p.m. Wala na, magkikita-kita na yung mga groupings na yan, men.
before, nabot ako pa rin ng bata ako. Pag ganun December na, as long as wala nang pasok yung mga bata, okay, as long as na Christmas break na, pag lalabas kami, may mga may kanya-kanyang groups na, may kanya-kanyang teams. Tapos before nun, may mga intel yan, sasabihin ng isang grupo, uy, doon kayo sa sa gantong lugar, may nagbibigay tig 20. Malaki na yung 20 dati. So like, syempre, punta ka na doon diretso, doon ka na
Sa amin
magbabahay-bahay.
naman before, nagsistart kami pag start na yung simbang gabi. Ay, hindi, di naman. Even earlier, pero nagsistop kami pag tapos na rin yung simbang gabi.
Oh.
Basically, nakikisabay kami sa simbang gabi. And then, ano pa ba? Ayun, for me, caroling talaga. Wala lang. Parang very fond of those memories. Kasi, you kind of graduate din from that eh. Diba?
Oo.
Parang pag teenager ka na.
Pag teenager
Expected
ka
na, hindi ka na, wala ka na.
mahihayin na yung mga, pag teenager, mahihayin na eh.
Oo.
Ayaw na mga ring. Ganun. But that's something I love with Filipino Christmas. In any age. Kahit diba, bata
Ngayon,
obviously.
kasi ngayon,
But even kahit matatanda, for me,
Ngayon
okay
kasi,
lang.
yung usual na mga seryosong nagkakaroling. If you're not kids, mga churches.
Mga choir, diba? Choir members, yung sa pag-choir, if anything, parang
Diba? If anything, go by all
ang
means.
ganda.
Bless mo yan, bless mo yan.
ang ganda ng numbers nila kapag choir members, di ba? And also, yun nga, tulong rin yun for the church if, tulong din yun for the church if ever magbigay ka. But ako, in any age, kahit mga middle-aged people, kahit mga thunders na, parang as long as nangangaroling, parang there's some warmth for me.
Oo.
Diba? Kasi,
Hindi ko gusto yung iba na nagtataboy ng...
wala, patawad. Kami, for us, at least lumaki ka sa na, as long as may nangangaroling, lagi kami nabibigay.
Kahit nga barya lang eh.
Even if, minsan barya lang, or minsan, alam mo, candies, ganun. Uy, oh my God, okay, anyway. Parang kailangan mo lang magbigay ng candy, or snacks. Naalala ko. Okay, anyway. Anyway, so,
ano pa? Ako marami akong fond memories. Ikaw?
something that I love again with Christmas. Hot take. Kasi yung iba malamang ayaw nila nito.
Which
But
is?
I love family reunions during Christmas.
Ako din. I like it.
Everything is contextual kasi
Ako, I like
for
it.
sure
For sure not everyone.
there are people who doesn't necessarily have the best relationship with their families, ganyan. Parang they'd rather spend their Christmas with others na not necessarily blood relatives, but still as good as family or even better than family. So, that's good. Pero ako, parang I love family reunions.
Ako din. Pero
Or
medyo
in general, reuniting with people that you care about. Yun na lang. Parang I love reuniting, reunions during Christmas.
I like reunions. Pero ito, recently ko lang siya na-appreciate. As in feeling ko teenager na.
Teenager ka na.
Oo, teenager ko na siya na-appreciate. Pero, wala naman akong parang there wasn't a reunion per se na nung childhood ako that I missed. Wala naman. Pero kasi before, ayun nga as a kid, sa Pangasinan, the setup kasi there is bahay namin. And then, kapit-bahay namin, puro mga kamag-anak. Basta hindi siya compound eh. Parang, dun sa isang buong barangay na yun. Ang dami namin kamag-anak.
Parang ganun sa province eh.
And
diba?
then,
parang lahat dun magkakamag-anak talaga.
And then, pagka December, usually kapag end of December na, yung relatives namin dun sa isang compound, they host Christmas parties for kids. Tas ang sponsors ay yung mga tita, ganyan.
Cute.
Yun. Oo.
Parang wala kami ganun.
May Christmas party kami. As in, full-blown Christmas party. Parang 2000s elementary Christmas party. Parang ganun.
Parang nakwento mo yan. Oh my God. Feeling ko may ganung Christmas party. Tas tayo na. Parang nagpaganon sila. Nasa province ka that time.
Oo.
Diba? Tas nagpa-Christmas party rin
Pero
sila.
nung time kasi namin, syempre, when I was a kid, mahihain pa ako ganyan. So, feeling ko, pilit yon. And then, nung medyo pa teenager na ako, tsaka ko siya na-appreciate. Then, during the Christmas party kasi, may exchange gift din kami. Funny kasi yung mga exchange gift nun, mga pretzel lang. Basta yung naka-box na something. Puro pagkain.
Ang fun nun, may Christmas party ka.
Oo. Every year. And then, ayun. And then, nung nag-teenager na ako, ganyan, yung mga hindi na ako masyadong kasali sa games. Doon ako sumasali sa mga organizers.
Kasi matanda ka na eh.
Oo. So, yung mga...
Graduate ka na rin.
ang
Promoted.
papel ko nun, nung teenager na ako, kasama na akong bumili ng supplies. Ganyan. Oo, sa Divisoria pa yan.
Oo.
Tapos, magbabalot, ganyan. Tapos, magpapagames. Diba? Parang it just stopped na lang nung naging ako. It just stopped nung high school ako. I don't know why. Hindi. Feeling ko sa amin kasi marami nag-abroad. Marami akong relatives na nag-abroad. And then, there's also hindi mo separation, pero may
para may mag-relocate.
May different generations na ng kids. Yung mga pinsan ko doon, yung iba doon hindi ko nakilala.
Oo, gets.
Oo. Pero parang nag-Christmas party pa rin naman ata sila. Pero hindi na katulad before talaga na super effort.
So, I mean, it really depends eh. Sa amin,
fun. So fun.
Sa amin, yung mismo reunion before was yung mismong Christmas Eve.
Sa amin hindi. Different day talaga.
Sa amin mismong Christmas Eve. Kasi,
Tapos, wait lang, may nakalimutan ako.
Okay.
Sa province namin, sa barangay namin. I
Mm.
mean, every barangay naman ata sa Pangasinan or provinces. Usual naman yun. May ano kami, pag December, may ano kami, may sayawan kami sa plaza.
Ang laki ng plaza nyo, ah.
May plaza
Oh
kami.
my God, sa
Sa
sayaw
may plaza kami sa every barangay. Tapos, they're gonna host, ano, parang wala, parties, ganyan, pang kids. Basically, sayawan lang siya, buong magdamag. Sayawan lang, and then there's orchestra. There are invited guests minsan.
Uso pa yun ngayon?
Oo, uso pa yun.
Uso pa yun ngayon? Okay.
Hindi lang siya ganun ka,
Broadcasted?
hindi na siya ganun ka, ano. Kumbaga, hindi na siya ganun ka,
Ka-big deal?
ka big deal. Mas big deal pag fiesta. Pero before nung time namin, basta nung childhood ko, fiesta and December, meron talaga. Meron for kids and young people. Meron hiwalay na event yung pang seniors.
Okay. Yeah.
Kasi pag pang seniors, may tables.
Di ba dati nung after ng party, yung after party, yung mga matatanda na.
Hindi, sa amin magkaiba.
Paano? Magkaibang day talaga?
Magkaibang day talaga.
Okay.
Usually magkasunod na gabi.
Mm.
Pero pag seniors kasi, may program talaga. And then may usually sayawan pa rin. But may tables, may chairs, ganyan. Tapos pag pag for young people, wala be. Sayaw lang dyan, oo.
Ang alive ng Christmas ganap sa sa province.
Tapos may popcorn. So may mga popcorn na nakakariton tapos may kulay.
Oo.
Yung pink.
Sa amin, okay. Sa amin yung Christmas reunion. Usually yan, Christmas Eve na. Kasi for the context, parang both side, di ba, yung family ng dad ko, same barangay. Yung family ng mom ko, same barangay.
Kasi nila maghiwa-hiwalay.
Yung bahay namin is also in the same barangay. So, what we do before was may shifting kami. So, diba, syempre, during the day, you're gonna prep, you're gonna cook, ganyan. So, madalas yan, dadalaw muna kami sa family ng dad ko. Spend time a bit there, siguro mga 2 hours, 3 hours. And then after that, pupunta kami, dadalhin namin yung mga pinrepare namin yung food. Dadalhin namin sa side ng mom ko. Tapos dun yung mismong main party. I don't know why, but that's something na magandang itisis sa mga estudyante pa dyan, di ba? Bakit mom side? Usually, yeah.
Usually mom side.
But usually mom side close yung mga anak.
Kahit sa amin, I mean, meron din namang cases na mas close sa dad side. Pero, mas usual yung mom side.
Oh, usually talaga mom side.
Kahit nung buhay pa yung dad ko. Kami, sa Pampanga sila na magkakapatid. Even that, mas malapit siya sa Marikina, sa Manila. Mas usually talaga kami sa Pangasinan. I don't know why. Anyway.
So, ayun, that's something.
Ako next. Something I love.
Okay, something you love pa rin, yeah. What?
Wrapping gift.
No. Hell no.
As a gift.
No.
Hindi naman as a gift. Wala lang. It just calms my fucking brain.
Okay. I don't like wrapping gifts.
Oo.
Bibili na lang ako ng Christmas.
Ay, ako hindi.
Bag.
Yung ano talaga, yung pambalot talaga,
Hindi,
sis.
ayo.
Ako po
That's so
magugupit.
tedious. Pero
It's
kasi,
fun.
ikaw kasi, you find peace in it. Ang weird kaya, okay, ayaw niya magtupi ng damit.
Ayaw ko nagtutupi ng damit.
Pero gusto niya mag-gift wrap.
That's the worst house chore for me.
Gusto niya mag-gift wrap.
Ako na lang maglabaw.
Wait lang. Which I think, mas komplikado pa nga mag-gift wrap eh. May tape ka, kailangan may certain tupi ka pang gagawin for a certain item. At least pag magtutupi ka ng damit, everything's repetitive.
That's the thing, I don't want to repeat.
Okay, but
I don't like repetitive shit.
kanya-kanyang trip yan. Okay, what's something, okay, tapos ka na, may dagdag ka pa, something that you love. Marami, but
Marami.
one last round, and then I have another question.
Tapos na ako. Sige, next question na.
Next question. Okay. Um, with regards to to Filipino Christmas. Something light lang. What's ano yung handa
Nung
na
kape nila.
dapat nandoon aside from ham? Kasi siyempre pag Pinoy ham, 'di ba?
I'd like to believe ham is a very Western thing.
Oo. But like kapag Filipino Christmas usually yan may ham.
Sagot na ako agad.
What's something that hindi kailangan nandoon for it to be a Filipino Christmas aside from ham?
Be, so easy. Fruit salad, be. May
No.
buko, maraming buko.
Okay. Let me change the criteria. Parang sa Pasko, parang pag nakita mo to sa hapag, alam mong Pasko. Kasi buko salad, pwede yun sa piyesta, pwede sa birthday.
Sorry sa amin kasi specialty namin yun.
Okay. Pero something na,
Sorry.
aside from ham, na very Pinoy,
Sige,
Pinoy
ano sa inyo,
Christmas.
ano sa inyo?
Sa amin, queso de bola.
Be, kesa di wala. Be, bigyan mo naman ako.
Parang nagka-queso de bola ka.
Ako, oo. Kasi,
Queso
okay,
de bola.
story time ulit. Tangent, di ba? Dati kasi nung nabubuhay pa yung dad ko, pag may Christmas party sila, lagi kami kasama, parang lagi kasama yung family. Tapos, lagi silang, every year, every Christmas party nila, meron silang, I don't know, Noche Buena package ba yun? Basta may
Yung
goods.
mga sa employees.
May goods
Sa employees,
for
diba?
employees. And then, laging may laging may queso de bola doon. So, nung every year kami may ganun, every year ako may queso de bola. Yung tatay ko kasi mahilig sa cheese.
Oo.
Both of
Sabi
us.
mo.
Ang alat ng queso de bola, di ba? I mean, aminado naman ako maalat ng queso de bola. Pero
Maalat
I
ng
love
queso
it.
de bola.
I love it. Tapos after nun, parang years after, yung mga latest kong Christmas, hindi na siya required. I mean, never naman siya na-require. It just so happens na may ganun kasi.
Tapos parang lagi na lang meron.
Oo, lagi kasi
Since
meron
then.
before. Tapos ngayon, parang last year, ako na yung bumili.
Ng queso de bola.
Binilan kayo sarili ng queso de bola. Kasi, wala lang. Kasi December lang may queso de bola.
Sa amin queso de bola. Tapos
Hindi naman ako may queso de bola kayo.
ang nangyayari dyan ganito.
Tingi ako.
Sige. Pag may queso de bola,
Pinapapako yun, be.
pag may queso de bola, 'di ba? Yung Christmas Eve, syempre naka-display.
Oo.
Naka-display yung queso de bola.
I didn't know that.
Ha?
I didn't know that.
Na.
Na default ang queso de bola sa inyo pag Pasko.
At least sa amin
Oh,
Pero
I didn't know that.
it's a very
In this 7-year relationship, I did not know that.
okay. Pero ayun, parang laging may queso de bola. So sa Christmas Eve, naka-display yan. Slice,
Buo pa.
'di ba?
Ay, kala ko buo pa.
Naka-slice na. But at least for us for us,
Yung camera.
ano?
Like, shake.
Ay, sorry. For us,
May hit yung table.
sa bahay, naka-display lang yung queso de bola. Pero, siguro, people will just take a piece or two. Tapos kinabukasan yan, fairly buo pa yan. Ang gagawin nila, gagawin sila ng cheese pimiento out of it.
Oo, kasi maalat
isa-slice
nga.
nila. Diba? Tapos sa kanila haluan ng stuff. And then sa kanila gagawin spread. So usually,
Damn, I did not know that.
usually sa almusal. Sa almusal namin sa after the Christmas Eve. Yung
Cheese pimiento.
nagbibigay na ng pamasko. Yun yung kinakain
Ay,
namin.
alam ko na kung kailan ako pupunta sa inyo. 25 ng Ay, shit, wala akong
Wala.
bilang 25 ng
Anyway, yun yung sa akin. Queso de bola.
Sa amin, I think I would stick to my answer. It's buko salad.
Buko salad pa rin. You're sticking by it.
Oo, be. Wala kaming ibang special dito. Christmas.
Okay. Kaya sa amin,
Hindi man spaghetti.
kasi yun lang talaga yung meron. Parang queso de bola lang yung talagang for Pasko lang. Oo. Queso de bola.
Ano pa? Ayun, sa amin nga, fruit salad na maraming buko. Sa kanila, queso de bola.
Pero siguro, ang favorite ko pag Pasko would be,
Shaky. Wala, shaky. Gumalaw na naman siya.
it's fine. Yan. Mahal yan. Kaya di mo siya. Okay lang yan ma-shake.
Hi.
Okay. What else? Anything Christmas related that you wanna think about?
Christmas related. Feeling ko top of mind kasi naalala ko lang yung sinend mo last time sa GC. Christmas party sa TD.
Okay. May may upcoming Christmas party kami for
Oo.
our scholarship foundation.
Yeah.
Yes. So we're gonna meet a bunch of familiar faces.
Medyo sad lang kasi in recent years, di na siya masyadong maraming ganap.
Oo.
Nung high school kasi kami, so every December may,
Very kind of big deal siya
oo.
before.
May ano pa nga kami, may presentation pa per batch, 'di ba? Nagsasayaw
Oo.
kami may special number per batch. Ngayon kasi kahit program wala,
Oo. What?
kind of sad. But still, it's a gathering, so.
Yeah. Siguro something kinda kinda deeper. Siguro. But something, ano ba? What's a core memory? What's a core Christmas memory that pretty much encapsulates everything that you know about Christmas, everything that you value about
I have that.
Christmas.
There's this one Christmas. Hindi ko alam anong taon to, pero bata pa ako to. Siguro
Mm.
mga nasa 2008, 2007.
Okay?
That Christmas, I grew up kasi, di ba syempre, side ng mom, side ng dad, ganyan. And then I grew up kasi, yung dad ko may, may workshop pagka December. So, ang off niya lang talaga ay 24, 25, and then 30, 30, 31.
Yeah.
So, may, ang
30, 31?
30, 31. 31 and 1.
31. Okay.
And then, ang nangyayari before, usually, pagka umuwi kami Pangasinan, usually dalawa lang kami ng nanay ko. And then, nandito lang yung dad ko nun. Parang ayun, basta hindi niya na kami dito, ganun.
Yeah.
Ayun, and then, yung Christmas na tinutukoy ko, that specific year, umuwi kami tatlo for Christmas. And then, doon kami sa bahay namin sa Pangasinan. And then, hindi lang kami nandun yung mga tito ko, ganyan. Basta basically, yung siblings ng mom ko, sa mom side, kompleto sila nun. And then, nandun din yung dad ko. Basically, nandun lahat.
Yeah.
Dun sa mom side ko. Kasi lahat ng family sa mom side ko, nandun lahat. And then, kami, yung mga magpipinsan, ganyan. Alam mo yun?
So everyone's
Kompleto
there.
kami doon.
Kompleto.
Oo, ang ingay ng bahay, ganyan. Tapos, feeling ko yan yung pinaka memorable
Quintessential.
Christmas for me. Tapos, I don't know. Ayun yung mahilig kasi kaming kung sa province lang yun. Pagka Christmas, yung family, lahat naka-red. Basta yun din yung
May parang pa, color
may
coding.
color theme, di ba?
Oo.
Tapos that specific Christmas year, kami nun, red kami nun, and then, parang kami yung nagbigay ng shirts or whatever.
Para susutin.
For everyone,
Para may pa-uniform pa kayo.
Oo. Tapos, wala lang very alive, ganyan, ang ingay sa bahay, tapos ang daming bata, ganyan, daming pagkain.
Tugs-tugs pa, no?
Oo. Tapos karaoke, tapos may nag-iihaw sa gilid, may nag-iinuman sa gilid. Wala, very alive, diba?
Oo.
Ngayon kasi, Christmas, tulog ko na lang yan.
I know. We have to change that, be.
Oh.
Soon. Okay. Oh. Okay. Side tangent before I answer. Share mo yung, I don't know, a lot has changed with how we celebrate Christmas. Pero for me, yung quintessential Christmas for me, 2014.
What's with 2014? Ako,
2014.
sobrang layo na, sin 2000s pa.
Okay. Could be, well, ang runner-up ko dyan, 2010. Alam mo 2010, di ba? Yung famous na kanta ng ABS-CBN, yung Christmas,
Oo.
nila.
Ayun pa pala. Ewan ko, it's so Pinoy Christmas coded.
Wala na.
ABS-CBN, but they produce the best Christmas songs.
Wala
Bukod kayo sa
wala na ABS-CBN, but
Bukod kayo sa Emery-chan, meron pa rin. They're just not in the old channel.
I know, but okay, different topic, but yung runner-up ko 2010. Because bata ko nun and very very Pasko, but ang pinaka-memorable for me was 2014.
Mm.
So that was the Christmas before ako gumraduate ng elementary.
Oo.
Okay, that was my last Christmas as a grade school student. And then,
Yeah, kasi 2015, by March from 2015, graduate na eh.
and then 2015 June, high school na eh. So 2014, the setup was, medyo nabanggit ko na kanina na before, dun sa dati naming bahay, kami lang ng family ko nandun, immediate family. So yun nga, what we did that year was nagluto kami and stuff. And then we spent like parang nagsimba muna kami. Nagsimba kami dun sa may place namin, may outdoor misa kapag bisperas.
Court yun.
Ha?
Court.
Hindi, street siya.
Sa street.
Kino-close out namin yung buong street just for the mass. And then people will bring their own bangko. Ganyan, kanya-kanyang bangko, kanya-kanyang
Yes.
And then there's a mass, it's a community mass. So parang feel mo yung sense of togetherness
Ganyan din kami.
with the community, with the people na yung mga neighborhood mo, ganyan.
As in, all you see there, lahat ng kasama mo magmisa.
Makakakilala mo na.
Familiar faces.
Familiar faces, which is very, very homey, which I think should be the goal. Should be the goal kapag Christmas.
Oo, may ganun din kaming version. Yung
Diba?
sa amin naman, siya, parish church na siya ngayon. Pero, before,
Parang na community church din.
hindi, before chapel lang siya.
Mm.
And then ngayon kasi it's a parish church na. As in, full-blown church na siya.
Oo. Sa amin, talaga, street lang talaga. It's just a random corner ng street.
And then, yung sa amin, nasan yung church na yun? Yun lang. Kasi, super memorable niya. Kasi, yung church na yun, malayo sa bahay namin. And
So,
we will
pinupuntahan niyo
have
talaga.
to walk going to the church. And
Okay.
from the church, going back home.
Yeah.
Tsaka kami maghahanda ng mga niluto namin.
Oo.
Fun lang kasi, syempre as a kid, di ka naman pinapayagan lumabas ng gabi, di ba?
Yeah.
And then December is just one month na you're allowed to be outside ng gabi kasi
Ang daming
mga
ganap,
caroling, pupunta ka sa relatives mo,
Yeah.
and then may simbang gabi.
Yeah.
Wala fun, wala lang.
Sa amin, ayun nga. So we have Christmas Mass first. And then after ng Christmas Mass, kung saan nagaganap yung Mass namin, parang super lapit na dun sa bahay ng dad ko. So, dad, relatives yun nandun. Ang ginagawa nila, kasi it's like, parang siyang corner din eh. Parang siyang may mini rotonda. Pero, daanan lang talaga siya ng tao. And then, nandun kami sa may sulok talaga. So, hinuhoard namin yung buong rotonda na yun kapag Christmas Eve. And then, nagsiset up sila ng mahabang lamesa. And then, doon nila nilalabas yung food, ganyan. It's an outdoor setting.
I don't know why. It's so usual, no?
Nalalagi na sa labas, di ba?
Amin din, sa labas before. May kubo pa kami yun sa labas ng bahay. Sundun lahat.
Sa amin, talaga. So, nagsiset up sila ng table. Nandun lahat yung food. And then, may mga nagiinuman, yung mga kumakain. And then, syempre, may karaoke ka, ganyan.
Ihaw-ihaw
Oo,
pa.
yung ibang pulutan, ubus na, tapos may iniihaw pa dyan na something. So, yun yung sa dad ko. Hindi kami gano'n nagsistay doon kasi, predominantly during that time, the people there, puro thunders na. So, not very kid-friendly yung Christmas nila. Majority ng food ay pulutan.
Parang ngayon, masarap makipasko na.
So, syempre, as a kid, hindi ko na-enjoy. And alam din ng mom ko yun. So, what we do talaga is, we spend a few hours there. Kapag nasimot na namin lahat ng relatives namin, napamasko na namin lahat ng relatives namin, that's when we change lock. So, change lock kami. Madalas yung dad ko naiiwan. Kasi syempre, nagiinom pa siya dun eh. And relatives niya yun. So, iniiwan namin siya for a bit. And then, mauna kami dun sa side ng mom ko.
Which is like
Which is
streets.
more kid-friendly.
Pero streets apart lang.
Streets apart lang. And then, that's where we spend the rest of the night. So, dun na yung may handaan ulit, obviously. But, walang gaanong inuman kasi puro bata. And then, what we have doon talaga, puro may pag-give si lola ko, ganyan, may mga paagaw, may mga random, alam mo yun, parang may mga exchange gift kami minsan, ganyan. So that specific year, we had an exchange gift. Nagpaagaw yung lola ko ng pera. Meron din kaming parang nagpalaro siya, may sabit-sabit kami sa loob ng bahay, may pasabit kami. Tapos, naalala ko nun, aside from yung exchange gift, meron pa siyang, parang, pick a random gift doon sa Christmas tree.
Oo,
Parang everything's unisex.
mahilig kayo sa ganun.
Oo, may
oo.
ganun kami before. And then, dumating tatay ko, medyo late na, mga 11, ganyan. Kasi tapos na siya mag-inom, so dadali siya. Lasing-lasing na siya. And then, sinalubungin namin Christmas, and then, after namin mag-eat ng Noche Buena, we stay for the night. Kinabukasan, yan na. Mamamasko na kami.
It's no?
Oo.
It's a cousin, overnight,
Sleepover, parang gano'n.
Oh, it's a
Oo.
cousin sleepover pag Christmas. That is something I miss talaga kasi
Ako
Wala
right now.
wala akong kapatid.
Especially for
So you
you.
can just imagine how boring my Christmas is. Ngayon.
Yeah, we have to change it.
Ang boring talaga. I mean, nung when I was a kid kasi, puro pinsan yung kasama ko. Pinsan, kababata, ganyan. And then, nagbabahay-bahay din kami.
Yeah.
Kasi majority, yun nga, tabi-tabi yung bahay, puro magkakamag-anak. So like, pero yung sa amin naman, hindi pag nasimot na yung pamasko. Sa amin, pag natikman na namin yung handa nila, next na.
Isa-isa mo yung mga bahay.
Oo. Okay, may leche plan dito, leche plan tayo dito, tapos sa kabila, ay, may graham dito, graham naman.
Parang, inisip ko nga if I was like that, isipin ko, alin dito yung specialty nyo?
Para siyang parang buffet. Pero hindi siya same table buffet.
Oh, you have to
Iba-ibang bahay.
jump houses.
Oo.
Ganun.
And then yan, usually mga tanong, uniform yung tanong, well, laki mo na, anong grade ka na?
Yeah, wait, laki mo na. Lakaran, dito mo pa.
Saan yung mami mo?
Yeah. Okay, yun yung memorable Christmases
Meron pa
natin.
isa.
Oh, okay, ano yun?
Fairly recent, and hindi siya sa Pangasinan. Ano naman to, sa San Mateo.
Sean.
Ito yung first ever, pandemic Christmas.
Parang naalala ko
Pandemic
yan.
Christmas to, super saya kasi,
Everyone's
wala
there.
Hindi, basically, wala kaming choice. Kaya wala kami sa Pangasinan kasi it's lockdown.
Bawal eh.
Bawal lumabas.
Oo.
Anyway. And then, kaya lang kami nakalabasan kasi, yung tinitira namin, super lapit lang sa San Mateo. And may
Oo.
car sila. So, sundo, ganyan.
Oo.
Di, nakapunta kami sa San Mateo. And then, we spent Christmas there. Tapos, yun, parang, very familiar yung ganap. Kasi parang Pangasinan din. Pero nung
but
time
it was
kasi
a
na yun,
different set of
nung
different
time
set of
kasi,
characters lang.
Yeah. Pero
Yeah.
din, relatives din naman.
Relatives
mga
din
pinsan.
naman. Yeah.
And then, mother side pa rin. Tapos, very familiar siya kasi, ang naiba lang, parang that time around, siguro mga 2020, 2021?
2021?
Oo, sa pandemic Christmas. And then,
2021?
oo. And then, ganun din, may exchange gift kami, may, ang tawag dito, may games kami. Parang dun ko na-experience yung small scale na games na fun.
Ang cute dun kasi
Kasi nung bata ko, big scale talaga na,
Cute,
games.
parang simple lang. Sa loob ba kayo ng bahay nung nag-celebrate?
Oo, sa
Okay.
loob. Pero yung handaan din sa labas.
Sa labas,
terrace.
oo.
Tapos ang fun nun kasi, medyo mature na yung, mga games. Kunwari yung mga blindfolded, tapos magsasando ka ng pera.
Oo. Yeah.
May gano'n. And then may exchange gift din kami, everything. Tapos ang daming
Oo.
handa. So, ayun, very alive yung Christmas nun. And then, the next Christmas after, medyo ganun pa rin. Parang 3 consecutive December, yung dun kami na-celebrate ng Christmas. No?
Oo. From 2021,
Parang last year lang hindi.
2, and 3. Oo, last year lang hindi.
Oo. Wala yun. Siguro yun, 2000s and then nung pandemic. Nasang exchange shift nun, since bawal nga lumabas, exchange shift namin puro Shopee.
Baka nga, nagbulat ka pa ba nun? O yung Shopee parcel na binigay mo? Nagbulat ka?
Nagbulat ako na, no.
Okay.
fun. Kasi, ayun, since small scale siya, everyone gets a gift. Gets to have
Oo.
a gift. So,
Okay.
ako, may mga gift ako for pinsan. Tapos ako, may mga gift ako from tita, from
Oo.
pinsans.
Okay. What is siguro last thing
Hmm.
before we end? What is paano ba? Sobrang cliche kasi nung what is the meaning of Christmas for you eh.
Wag na yun.
Okay, something. Okay. You think. You think. Something to end the, ano, the convo.
December.
Ito na lang. Para medyo personal. What is your, ano?
I have something in mind. Sige.
Sige, ikaw muna. Kasi hindi pa na-form yung utak. Hindi pa na-form yung
Sige.
thought ko sa
Sa
utak
akin
eh.
naman, how would you like to form our Christmas?
Oh my
in the
God!
future?
Yun din.
Same lang.
Oo, kind of same idea. Kind of same idea.
Basta,
Our Christmas
given
together.
that. Hindi, given that.
Ay.
Ayan, parang ganun. In the future.
Tayo.
Basta, oo.
Sa couple. Okay.
Ako feeling ko, most of the format would come from the fun moments
Ako,
from childhood.
okay. Okay, for
Pero
con.
isipin mo kasi usually kapag tayo na lang sa future, dalawa lang naman tayo, wala man balok agad.
Oo nga, yun nga. Sasabihin ko pa lang. Disclaimer. Right, at least right now, at this point in time. So, syempre we don't know in the future, diba? But right now, the future that we are looking at is we don't have kids. Okay? So,
We're gonna be dink.
we're gonna be dink. So, since no kids, it's gonna be a bit different. Diba? Pero ang ideal Christmas for me would be medyo
Sa akin, very Pinoy. Very Pinoy yung version ko.
very Pinoy.
Ah.
Very ano sa akin. Very madamot. A bit. Okay.
Okay.
So, ganito. Christmas Eve. The day before Christmas, ang bet ko mangyari would be us cooking. Diba? Let's get sa simple dinner.
So like groceries.
May groceries, ganyan, restock ng stuff. And then we're just gonna have we're gonna have Christmas lunch. Okay.
Outside?
Huh?
Outside?
Yeah, after natin mag-errands, we get like Christmas lunch. And then we're gonna cook. And then we're gonna have early Christmas dinner. Okay? Yeah, early Christmas Eve dinner. And then change lock tayo. Change lock tayo ng Christmas Eve. So,
Where do you wanna go?
saan natin isipin? Either your side or my side.
Per family.
Family. We go to a family. Family. We're gonna spend Christmas Eve with one side of the family. And then kinabukasan, Christmas Day, another set of people, which is Christmas either side mo or side ko. Gets? Yun yung sa akin. And then, maybe we end the day ng tayo lang sa bahay. Yun.
As
That's
in
what-
evening ng 25.
Evening ng 25.
That's a very ideal Christmas.
Yun yung bet ko.
Yung vision ko, very similar to that. Ano lang, to me, instead of evening yung punta sa kung sino mang side, and then the day after, ang nasa isip ko naman is 24 ng
Araw. We spend with someone, with one side of the family.
and then 25 day, ganun din. So, both evening style lang. Or somewhere
Ay, pwede yan. Gusto ko rin yan.
Pero for
Yeah.
now, parang mas bet ko yung idea.
Kasi ano eh.
Ano lang kasi, Christmas Eve is a big thing
Oh,
for families. So, I guess, mas preferable yun sa kanila.
yeah. Ano rin, I'm not against.
May isa akong vision.
Sige, ikaw muna. Kinikilig ako.
Having a holiday, as in Christmas holiday, salubong, as in 23, 24, 25, 26, elsewhere. And then both our families are there.
Oo.
So,
Para pasasamahin natin.
your fam, then my fam.
Ano,
Or maybe a bit of my cousins.
that could be a good ano. That could be a good... Ano na sa isip ko?
Alam mo, wala nga ano eh, parang I won't mind if that's going to be the norm.
Oo.
Every December may outing, both
Oo.
families included. Wala lang, parang hindi na tayo mag-segregate or like parang hindi na
Oo,
tayo
parang,
mag-set.
dito muna, din dito.
Oo,
Oo.
parang hindi na tayo mag-set ng specific times.
Oo. Okay. Yeah, that's ideal. Realistically, di ba? But,
Oo.
eto
Medyo realistic din naman siya kasi for me, it's a matter of ipon.
fancy.
Kasi December naman eh, year-end, diba? And you can book early.
Yeah. Ako may isa pa akong vision.
Ah.
Pero this is like a plan B. Okay? Parang, just to be clear, I don't mind you spending Christmas with your family and my Christmas with my family.
Oo.
I mean,
Pwede
we can
din.
preference
Pwede
Malulungkot
rin.
ako a
Oo.
bit. Gets? Especially if you're married by then. Mahirap yung andun ka, andito ako. But, I'm saying it right now, hindi siya maging source of sama ng loob for me.
Me din. Oo,
Okay lang. It's fine.
Me din. Kasi,
Parang-
feeling ko din kasi at that point, baka nga ipagpasalamat pa natin yun eh kasi.
Kasi parang we get to relive a bit
Yeah.
our past,
Oo, basta for me, feeling ko for us naman, same lang.
para rin may baon kang,
Same elements kami ng nasa list
oh,
in our future Christmases. Family namin, family ko.
oh,
Dapat nandun. So, either nagkakatalo lang yan if, yun nga, yung Christmas Eve or the Christmas Day. Or outing elsewhere for several days.
Yeah.
Or yung separate. Pwede rin naman.
pwede natin gawin would be,
Alternate.
this year and the next year. Or, why not just have Christmas for ourselves and then saka tayo maghiwalay pagdating ng New Year?
Pwede rin.
Doon ka dito. Kasi boring din naman. Okay, hot take. Medyo boring din naman yung Christmas eh. Mas
Oo.
big deal for us ang New Year.
Sa
Mas
inyo.
pasabog for us yung New Year.
Oo naman, sa amin din. Pero, Christmas is different.
Kaya yun nga, para mas meaningful kasi ang Christmas to be with
Kasi
family.
different. Mas maingay lang yung New Year. Pero,
Oo.
to us, it's always been Christmas talaga.
Pwede rin baliktad. We spend Christmas separately and then saka tayo
rin.
mag-solo New Year.
Pwede rin. Kung gusto mo, Christmas and then New Year.
Anyway,
Ako, ang
Go.
most preferable for me right now is the outing. Both families are
that's
there.
ideal. Especially pag marami ka funds, diba? Why not?
Oh, alam mo, for me, hindi problema ang funds.
Okay, wait. So, we have to,
Have to.
we have to review the food.
Huh?
We have to review the food.
Review?
Yeah, the food.
Food.
Yeah.
Alam ko
Okay.
full.
No food.
Okay.
Okay. Day, copy muna.
Ikaw muna. Ito na.
Okay.
If you're in Marikina or
If you're in Marikina,
anywhere near. Also, I think, kasi, Inarawan kasi is,
It was
their
founded-
first, their
it was
first
founded-
branch. Oh, their first branch is in Antipolo.
Antipolo.
Okay. But I don't know if that's still
I don't know if they're
operating.
still in Antipolo, but
And I haven't been there.
doon sila galing.
Ito lang talaga. This is the only branch that may iba silang branch. Marami silang branch. Meron nga silang branch sa may Marcos Highway eh.
Yeah.
Anyway,
So, okay. Start with the coffee. Yung in order
Wait,
ko.
wait.
What?
Why here?
Why here?
not other branch?
Okay. I like the branch here kasi generally, mas tahimik. Mas tahimik here. Mas Marikina. If that's even something that you can understand. But Marikina kasi is known,
Corik.
Marikina is a city that is pretty known to be low-key compared to other Metro Manila cities. So, alam mo yun, alam mo yung mga nagtitrend na TikTok posts na you're not in Japan, you're in Marikina, whatever. Ganun kasi yung vibes in Marikina talaga. And Hill Fernando, it's sort of like a mini Pobla.
Oo.
Like
yung
mini
area,
Pobla
oo,
sa
yung
Hill Fernando.
place kasi nila sa Hill Fernando, medyo katabi ng mga gimikan.
busy there. So you have bars around.
Although
You
maganda rin
have-
naman dun.
yeah.
Sometimes we're there.
Yeah, sometimes you're there, but pretty much madalas kami here.
Oo.
So we like it here kasi yun nga, mas Marikina, mas tahimik, mas homey. So parang we're just here to really just chill.
Oo.
Ganon.
Pag gusto ko medyo tahimik na vibes, I go here.
Oo. So anyway, we like it here.
And then, kasi, before we start with the food and the drinks, kasi I think every branch has
It's
different
drinks.
menus.
Menus?
Yeah. I
Ay,
mean,
you
they
can
have,
have exclusives here.
they have yung drinks nila na default. Like, I don't know, meron din sa Hill Fernando.
Oo.
But meron silang drinks na exclusively dito lang meron.
Oo.
And, yung in-order namin, specifically, dito lang
Oo.
siya meron. And ayun din, actually, yun yung main reason ko bakit dito ko mas bet. Natry ko na yung exclusives nila sa Hill Fernando. Mas gusto ko talaga yung mga drinks nila dito. And, okay. Start
Okay.
na.
So I ordered the
I
kape mani.
recap. He ordered kape mani.
Kape
And
mani.
hot.
Choco mani. Wait, let me get the menu.
Ano? Hindi.
Kape mani ba?
Hindi.
Choco mani.
Tsaka mani.
Sure ka?
Try mo. It's choco mani.
Ay, sorry.
It's choco mani, guys.
Yeah, it's choco mani.
I told you it's choco
Okay,
mani.
choco mani. I ordered choco mani. It's pretty
Oh my
much
God,
like
hindi na rin pinto.
kape. Like your usual latte na may
Ano
chocolate.
eh? Ikaw, ano?
No, it's your usual
Yun
latte.
yung favorite niya. Yun yung go-to drink.
Yeah, it's your usual latte na may chocolate.
Ako
Okay.
naman. Sige. Sige, ako muna. Yung order ko muna. Yung drink ko ay kape kakao. Basically, it's
The mocha.
espresso. Oo.
Yeah, yung mocha nila.
Yeah, ito yung version nila ng mocha. Pero kasi yung, hindi siya milk chocolate. It's kakao. It's dark chocolate.
Yeah,
And
dark
I love
chocolate.
dark chocolate. Tapos dito sa, yung blend nila here ng mocha, which is their kape kakao, is very Pinoy.
Parang lasa siyang
Pinoy,
lasa siyang tableya.
Oo, lasang Pinoy. Kasi nga,
Yeah.
favorite ko yun dito. Okay, rating.
Okay, yung sa akin. Paano gusto mong rating? Numbers? No.
Sige, numbers.
Yes or no na lang. Recommend.
yes or no.
Recommend or not recommend. Ako, I recommend this. Well, obviously, kasi favorite ko to. Because, number one, what I like about coffee in general is gusto ko lasa siyang kape. Alam mo yun, we get lost in the
Translation.
we get lost in the Starbucks. No, I mean, no,
I don't like Starbucks.
okay. Alam mo yun, parang Starbucks minsan nalilimutan
I
yung
don't like Starbucks.
yung drinks ng Starbucks minsan nalilimutan nilang kape sila.
Alam mo, since, nung high school ako, bet ko pa eh. As in, very special pa yung Starbucks for me.
Ay, hindi na, not much na.
Pero nung nag-college ako, and then, nag-boom yung mga cafes, ganyan, here, neighborhood cafes sa Marikina. I prefer talaga
Oo.
yung local cafes kaysa yung mga
Mga big.
commercial cafes. Especially Starbucks. Sorry, name drop ako. Pero I really don't like drinks sa Starbucks. Alam mo yung ano na, kasi kaka-Starbucks ko lang last time. Kasi, nagkakolek ng stickers yung ano ko. So, I had to, diba? And, ayun, ang order ko is yung may whipped cream, which is white chocolate mocha.
Oo.
Babe,
Super
hindi
tamis.
siya lasang kape.
Super tamis niya.
Lasang asukal. Anyway.
Okay,
Hindi ko
anyway.
mahanap yung kape doon.
Yeah. What I like about coffee is that it tastes like coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah, diba?
Kasi nagkape
Parang
ka pa, diba?
non-negotiable yun for me. But this one specifically,
And if you can hear the sound in the
Naririnig.
background, it's ABS-CBN.
yung yung favorite, yung tikitin. Okay, anyway. Kami tuloy tangent. Let me review.
Sorry.
Okay. I recommend this. Especially if you're aiming for something more nostalgic. Kasi lasa siyang chocolate. Chocolate is my favorite kasi. And parang
Chocolate na favorite niya. Pero pag inabutan mo ng chocolate ngayon, parang ayaw niya na.
okay, pero growing up, chocolate is my favorite. So obviously it's kinda
Honey
nutty.
ako eh.
Kinda nutty, kinda may pagka peanut butter vibes. But it's still coffee.
Oo.
Alam mo yun? Parang pag pag hindi ka Pinoy, Hindi mo alam na chocolate yun. Parang may
Yeah.
lasang nuts. Ganon. But, it's very subtle lang.
Yeah.
And I like it hot. Kasi pag malamig, mabilis ang umay. So
Ganyan siya.
baka it's a matanda thing.
Oo.
How about yours? Okay.
Okay. Are you done?
Yeah.
Ako, obviously, I would recommend this. Feeling ko medyo same. Parang yung preferences natin dito, yung drink mo, tsaka yung drink ko right now. Para silang very nostalgic, very Pinoy. Pero yung sa kanya kasi, yun nga, chocolate. So, nutty flavor siya.
Say chocolatey.
Oo. Sa akin, chocolatey na dark chocolatey.
Yeah.
So,
And,
I would recommend this if if may kayo sa mocha, ganun.
oo. And then, pero gusto nyo rin ng
Pero
kape?
alam niyo ba,
Ng
outside,
matapang na kape?
oo,
Sabihin
matapang
mo,
kasi yung,
by the
matapang
way,
kasi yung kape nila.
yung kape nila,
Yeah, we just confirmed earlier.
madalas,
Alam mo, tagal na namin dito.
double shot.
Tagal na namin nagkakape dito. Ngayon lang namin confirm na kung
Oo.
ilang shots yung kape
Double
nila.
shot espresso yung kape nila. Standard yon.
Yeah.
So, pero yung this time, tinry ko na single shot lang. And I like it better.
Gusto mo?
Oo.
I like it. Feeling ko
Double.
I like it double.
Gusto mo double?
Oo.
Okay, but pwede mo kayo magpa-request if gusto niyo ng di ganong matapang. But either way, lasang kape pa rin siya. Even this one na single shot lang. So it's
Oo.
fine.
Yung ano naman, sa akin naman, fun fact, sa ibang, dito lang ako nagmumoka, and ito na yung version ng mocha na pinaka-bet ko. And parang ito lang yung mocha na gusto ko. Hindi ako nag-order ng mocha sa ibang cafe. If ibang cafe, ang usual ko ay kung hindi, I mean, medyo special yung dun sa ibang cafe. Lil Bean, ganyan. Kasi that's also our go-to. Pero ang usual ko kapag ibang cafe, latte lang. And if may oat milk, edi oat milk. Yun lang.
Ay, parang
Hindi ako
sauce.
order ng mocha sa iba.
Oo.
Pero dito, hindi ako order ng latte dito.
Ano lang, mocha lang.
Oo.
Ay, mocha lang.
Ito na
Which
yung
is yung
kape-kakao.
kape-kakao. Okay. So we both like the coffee.
Ay, yun pala. Hindi ko
Ano?
pa siya natatry ng hot. And I don't even know kung may hot version sila nito.
Meron. Nagtanong ko sa akin kanina kung gusto mo hot eh. Nakita mo lang.
Okay, meron. Kasi
Meron.
may drink sila na walang hot. Anyway. Hindi
So
ko
we-
pa natatry yung hot na to. Laging iced coffee.
Try natin minsan. But again, we both like the coffee. Siguro I'd recommend yung coffee nila here if you want to be alive and awake.
Hindi, weird siya sa akin kasi double shot siya. So, matapang yung kape nila. But at the same time, parang it slows you down.
Oh, parang siguro this is yung coffee nila here, at least the ones that we've tried, is for someone na needs to be awake but also ayaw nila ng something boring.
Oo.
Oo.
Sa akin naman,
Kasi di ba usually pag someone, if you want to be awake, you have to get something na matapang, like you have to get a black, you have to get an Americano, you have to get just yung plain brewed coffee, right? But if gusto mo ng in between, ang default
If
mo ay
gusto mo
latte.
if gusto mo ng matapang na magigising ka, but at the same time may personality,
This one.
get their drinks.
Yeah. Lagi may something Pinoy twist. Diba?
Yun yung Pinoy. Basta
Yeah.
lagi may twist.
Lagi may
Yung,
twist, lagi may
yung blends nila here, may personality.
Oo. So, it's not your usual. Pero, again, if kailangan mo mag-cram
Oo.
ng work, ng thesis, whatever.
Feeling ko, ako kasi,
punta ka
for
rito.
me, oo.
Diba? You're gonna get a lot of work done here.
Pero kasi for me, may iba kong cafes in mind na mas effective for me lang personally, kapag if I want to get work done, parang this is not the best place for me if I personally would like to get things done. Kasi warm yung lights nila here.
Oo.
So yun nga, yung sabi ko kanina, matapang yung coffee nila, magigising ka, but
Chill yung vibes.
oo, chill kasi yung vibes dito. So, ganyan, pagka wala lang, gusto mong chill or
siguro, no?
de-stress with cafe or like coffee.
Maganda
coffee.
rito pag may mainit kang chika with your friends.
Oo.
Alive kayo after.
Oo.
Alive kayo sa usap.
Totoo yan.
Okay.
Tsaka may may outdoor seats sila. Pakita namin sa video.
Sige. Later. Ito, ayun na. Nagdi-display na right now.
Pero may outdoor seats sila.
Yeah.
So, very chill talaga yung vibes nila here. Yun.
Yeah. So, what else?
Wait lang
Yung food.
Yung food. Hindi ko pa siya ubos
You
kasi
had,
busog na ako.
Yeah,
Malaki yung
truffle
serving nila.
pasta.
Oo. Malaki yung serving nila. And, masarap siya. Although, feeling ko kasi, I've tried, hindi pala feeling ko. I've tried other truffle pastas before. Actually, nung Sunday lang. Kasi may natanan akong event, tapos may truffle pasta rin.
Oo.
I think this is not the best, this is not the most truffle-less.
Truffle-ish.
This is not the most
Truffle.
truffle sa
Truffle.
pasta na try kong truffle pasta. But masarap pa rin. Hindi ko na siya naubos kasi marami silang serving.
Yeah. Siguro
Na-try ko
ano,
na din yung isa nilang pasta.
what did we have before? Pesto?
And then, I don't know eh.
I forgot. But anyway,
Forgot.
yung truffle
Masarap siya.
pasta,
Mm.
the thing is, pag real truffle, alam mo yung mga sa restaurants talaga, those ones kasi, kinda, acquired taste kasi ang truffle.
For me rin, acquired taste
So,
siya.
this is more accessible, mas accessible yung taste niya.
Ito. If you want to just try palang truffle pasta, feeling ko ideal to.
Okay. So,
Kasi, lasang truffle siya, but
Oo.
that's not the full-blown truffle pasta. Kasi
Oo.
I've tried yung full-blown eh.
yeah.
I cannot finish it. Kahit hindi ako busog. Yung full-blown kasi, siya eh, parang nakakapagod siyang kainin.
Oo.
For me lang. Kasi nga, strong tasting siya. Strong tasting ng truffle pasta. As well as blue cheese.
So,
Yeah.
ayun.
I would recommend it pa rin.
Yeah. So,
And malaki yung serving nila. If may kahati kayo, hati na lang kayo.
yeah, pero malamang yan. Sa normal Pinoy, ubos yan.
Naman.
Oh, okay. Siguro price range.
Okay,
Price
pricing.
range. Though yung coffee nila, it's in the 150 to 200 peso range.
150 above. Yeah,
Yeah,
150
250 to 200. And then yung
Ay,
food
and they don't have may sizes sila for ice.
for
Dalawa.
hot, ito lang
isa
talaga. 12 diba?
I don't know if that's 12. Basta may 16 ounces yung pinakamalaki nila size. And ano nung iba? Isa pa. Guys, checking. Guys.
Yeah, ano. Yeah, 12.
Hmm.
12 and 16.
I think you can check their menu here. Or I don't know if it's posted sa socials na lang. You can follow them. Alam ko may socials sila.
Yeah. So, again, for the price, for a local cafe, I mean, it's,
It's usual.
yeah, it's usual.
It's usual pricing.
Yeah.
Pero alam nyo, if sa Starbucks kayo and ang hanap nyo ay, I don't know, better coffee.
Just go
if
something
ang
local.
hanap nyo ay better coffee, ito.
Just go somewhere local. I like this one. Like this place.
My thesis is coffee shops and cafes. And pretty much my whole college experience, puro ko cafe. Kasi hindi ako napirmi sa bahay. Ayoko rin sa school kasi masyadong crowded. So,
Oo.
third place ko talaga ay cafe. So, yun lang. My take on it.
Yeah.
If you really like coffee and you like to, even if you wanna just try different blends ng coffee, go to your local coffee shops.
Yeah. And, okay.
Local coffee shops, coffee is always better than
Okay,
commercial.
disclaimer. We're not coffee nerds necessarily.
wala lang.
Like,
Ano lang,
if you ask me,
consumer insight.
like, if you ask me anong beans ang gusto ko, I don't know. Anong alam ko sa Arabica? Anong alam ko sa, alam mo yun? Ay, Arabica nga alam ko eh. What are the other coffee beans? But, pretty much, we are only basing it off of our,
The ones na na-try
taste.
namin.
yeah,
Ano lang,
taste.
but I
ng-
mean for us lang, between local shops, local coffees, and commercial ones, better talaga ang local.
So, yun. So, price range is pretty usual.
Usual.
Around
if you want
So,
the-
150 to 200 for the drinks, and then 250 to 300 for the
for the
food. Yes.
And, okay, namalabat. So, feeling ko last thought on here is, if may budget kayo and you wanna go tambay sa Starbucks or
Yeah.
CBTL,
Let's go here.
tapos sasamigay na kayo, feeling ko try nyo rin here kasi
Yeah.
you like it. promise.
Yep. So I think that's it. Right? Guys, if you went here to the end, please subscribe. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Hi guys. So, tapos namin mag-shoot but may nalimutan kami i-shoutout. Oh, shoutout mo ate ko.
Hi ate, shoutout po kay ate Monica Bolataw.
Okay. Sa akin, shoutout Upper from Palay-Palay, San Ildefonso, Bulacan. Wala na yung dati kong YouTube channel. Dati ako si Play of G. Ngayon, nandito na ako sa Yapiapan. Sana masaya ang Pasko mo. Idol, mwa chup chup.
Kailangan pala ng location. Sa Barangka po siya. Yes.
Bye-bye.
Hello. So, we ordered coffee tonight. Yes. Siyempre, sino man din yung di nagkakape sa gabi.